Alright, good evening. Just going to do a makeshift repair. I was under my truck, right? I got 3 different sizes. This is like a certain type of sleeve anchor. This is like a drop anchor. Because I have a diff drop. And when I went under there previously, I noticed that it was missing a bolt. In the washer, they tack welded it. Because I guess within the frame there's some tacking nuts, and it's like a subframe setup. 3 out of 4 bolts went in without any issue, but there was one where it must have just snapped, so they tack welded it. I'm going to try this just to see if it goes in. It's got an inch differential drop, and then there's plus the spacer of the other one. So I'm just going to give this a try. I may have to get into there with a actual wrench after the fact, but I'm going to see if this actually goes in. So you can kind of see what I'm talking about. I don't want to show you the other side because the other side has bolts. So I'm just going to give this a try. This actually fits. Probably could have gone a lot larger size. So let me see. This actually helps. I was doing like a doll for this thing, so I'm just gonna tighten it as is. That's probably not gonna do anything. I think it's gonna go all the way up. Yeah, that's exactly what's happening. So there's got to be a way. I think I'll need a larger size for that. So let me try this one. Yeah, that ain't even gonna work. So I'll try the worst case scenario. The toggle bolt. See if that actually makes it all the way up. That doesn't even make it all the way up. Alright, so judging by the size of that, this isn't going to really work. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to, I might be able to just do it so to see if I can actually just go well into the frame. Trying to see what the fuck they did. That's like almost 2 inches. Well, I think I'm going to have to leave this one to the professionals. I tried.